In this video, I'm going to talk about a push notification tool with the help of you can turn your visitors into the loyal subscribers. Plus, you can also send them all the notifications like this on your own website. That way, you are going to get your visitors repeated again and again. So, hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a push notification tool that name is the Gravitech. And first, let me give you a demo how this tool works. Suppose you got the subscribers. For example, in my site, I got the 2 subscribers. I just recently added this tool on my website, and after that, whenever I want to send the update or alert, I need to add the title, description. I can also add the link here with the button, text, emojis, and I can also add the images. And once I click here on the send campaign, it is going to send it out all my subscribers. So it is going to appear soon because one of subscribers I am to. For example, you can see sent it. Okay, so if I check here, you can see this is the thing I am talking about. It is sent it out, and because I have muted all these notifications, that why it is not showed up on the screen. But don't worry, it is going to appear on the your visitor screen, no matter it's the mobile, it's desktop, or whatever the device he is using. You can see I am using this do not disturb is on. That's why this notification is not appeared here. Okay, I hope you are getting. Plus, if I update here on my website, you can see if I click here, this notification is also appear on my website. For the visitor, it is going to showing that is subscribe this notification bell. Okay, so this thing you can do with your website and turn your visitors into the loyal subscribers and send out your notification updates, deal alerts, or whatever the sale currently going on, you can notify them. So let me show you how this tool works and how you are going to add it or install it on your website. So first, I'm going to talk about the lifetime deal. Yes, its lifetime deal is back again on the AppSumo, and I think after the 1 year this deal is back again, and just pricing is $49 here. And if I scroll down below, you can check out use push notification that features your content, convert site visitor into the loyal subscribers. You can also target different subscriber segment based on the interest, track campaign specific metrics. So you can not only just send out the campaigns to all visitors, but you can also target them based on the segments. Okay, so if I scroll down below, let me go to the plans and features, and here show you what are the things you are going to get. First, there will be no copyright or the branding of the Gravitech will appear. There's also the integration available that can easily let you install no matter which kind of the website you are using. It can be the custom coding, it can be the WordPress, it can be the whatever the website you're built on. You can easily add this tool on your website. Okay, so there are the multiple plans available. The single plan starts from the $49. Here you will get the 30,000 subscribers per site, and you can add unlimited site. See, in the unlimited side up to 30,000 subscribers. This is the really cool deal and the most valuable tool right now on the AppSumo. So I suggest do not miss it. The link will be given in the description. You can collect unlimited subscribers, unlimited users, unlimited automation, and the unlimited notifications you can set. The only limits you are going to get on the subscribers, and I think as for the individual side, you are getting the 30,000 subscribers per site. This is the per site. Okay, and you can add unlimited site. Means on the unlimited sites you will get the limit of the 30,000 subscribers. This is the thing I am talking about. Same goes with the double and the multiple plan. Here we'll get the more credits for the subscribers limit. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. Plus there's also the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you are not happy or satisfied with the tool, just return it and your 100% money will be back. But one thing let me tell you, this tool is only going for the lifetime deal for the 10 days. You can see deal end in 10 days. So this is the 10 days deal. You should not miss out, because after that I don't know when again this tool will be back for the lifetime deal. You can see this is the countdown. Okay, now let me give you a demo and show you how you can install it and use this platform. Okay, so this is the Gravitech platform. Here first it will ask you to add your website, and its dashboard and the user interface is really cool. You can see I have added my website here, and after if I click here on this arrow, you can see all the options will be expanded. So let me show you how you can add the website, and after that I will talk about all these features available. So click here on the add your website. Here you need to add your website URL. You have to select whether it's on the HTTPS or the HTTP. Okay, and you can check out it support all the platform. For example, if your platform built on the custom code or the standard codes, then you have to just add your website. After that, it will show you some of the script that you need to add the your website. But in my case, I am using the WordPress, so I will select the WordPress. Here I need to add the website name, so I'm adding my website name. Okay, let me copy it here, get back to Gravitag, paste, click on the continue. I can also change the or add my website logo here. Okay, let's click on the continue. Now it will ask me, okay, my website is already available, so I'm going to make it different. Let's click on the continue, and okay, let me add different website. Okay, let's click on the continue, and now it will show me the all the things. For example, you can see this is the setup for the tracking the links. This is the integration section where we need to focus, and here you can see, let me select the WordPress. It is asking me to install the Gravitag plugin. Then after that, I need to click on the connect existing account and verify the integration. So within the 2 steps, all these things will be connected. Plus, if your website built on the Shopify, there's also the steps available. If you're built on the Wix, there's the steps available. And if your website built on the custom coding, there's the steps available. All you need to just follow these steps and your connection will be built. Okay, let me go to the WordPress. Here I need to go to dashboard, click on the plugins, and I need to install the Gravitag plugin. Okay, so I will go to the plugin, and I need to search out. This is the plugin here I am talking about. So just click on the install and activate, and after that you need to click on the connect, and that's all. Your connection will be built. So what I have done, because you can see this is the installing option is showing right now. So what I have done, I have just used this standard procedure to connect my website. Okay, so I hope you are getting how to connect on. Now let me show you the other features as well. Suppose you have added your website. Now how the things work out. So let me go to the website. For example, I have added this website right now. So if I click here, you can see all these options is available right now. Okay, same goes with this website. So first we have to customize and configure the bell icon. This is the bell icon I'm talking about. You can see this bell icon is currently showing on. So how you can customize and configure that. So we have on the prompt and the bell section, and here you can check out. It is also showing you in the real time how your notification section and the bell icon will show up. For example, permission prompt configuration. This prompt is appear to every visitor. You can select down how or which kind of the prompt you want to show. Like this, it will appear on your middle of the website, this will on the top, and this will on the right corner after below to this bell icon. So I want this one because this is the recommended. After that, I can also select the location. It is showing me after how much delay this prompt is going to appear. So I have added the 3 seconds. Then I can change the color. I can also add the this text section. Would you like to receive the new SaaS tools updates? And just click on this save, and boom, it is built. Now let me go to this bell icon, and it will help you to configure the bell icon on your website. Okay, so this is the bell you can see here. So you can add the color to your brand. You can select the location of bell icon. Plus you can also activate this push inbox. It will help you to open up these kind of the messages in the bell icon. So make sure you also enable this icon here and click on this save, and that's all. Your prompt and the bell is configured. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the create campaign. This is the create campaign I am talking about, and from here you need to just add the title, text, and all these things, and click on the send campaign, and your campaign will be sent out to all of the subscribers who have enabled the prompt. Okay, so that's how this platform is work. Plus there are also some other cool features available, like we have the automation available. Here we can just assign the automations, means whenever a new post or the new article is published on your website, it's automatically going to send out the notification to all of the subscribers. Means you are going to bring back all your visitors back again on your website with the new post or articles update. Okay, that's how this automation works. Plus there's also the drip campaign available. There's the push digest. There's also the welcome message you can set up. For example, this is the welcome message. Whenever a new subscriber enable this push notification, this welcome message is going to be sent it out. Okay, so that's how. Plus I have assigned the link here. That's why it's when I click here on the this message, this is opening the blog section. Okay, so that is the thing, you can do it here. So then we have this RSS section. Basically you can connect your website RSS feeds, and you can check out whenever I am uploading the new article or the new post here, it is generating the an update or alert, I can just send out in this single click. Here you can see create campaign and send out. Then we have this section, that is the reports. Basically it will show you all the updates to send out the campaigns, like how much the campaigns are delivered, seen, opened or not. Then we have this section, subscribers. In the subscribers section we can just manage out all of subscribers. We can check out which day our subscribers, how much we got, all those kind of the things. We can also delete them. We can also add subscribers. Okay, sorry, we cannot add the subscriber, I just misspoke about it. We can just check with the different time frames here. Okay, so this is all the features I have showed you about the Gravitac, and there's other things that I want to talk about. It's AI notification builder. If I go to here, create campaign, this you will see out, that is the Gravitac AI. So what it will do, it will automatically generate the things for you with the help of its AI, but it is going to be limited. You can see in my tier 3 plan I got only the 60 AI generations. So in the tier 1 plan you are getting around the 20. So I don't think you need going to be regularly use this AI generation credits. You need to buy after this is the ended or the spend all of the credits. Okay, so that's why I suggest, I think you don't need this AI notification builder here. You can manually update that, plus connect just RSS, and it is going to update all of the posts with this single click campaign generation. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I want to talk about the Gravitac. Its lifetime deal is back just for the 10 days, so make sure you don't miss out. You can find the link in the description. Yes, if you are watching this video after the 10 days, then this deal will be ended, but don't worry, I am giving out the $500 coupons to give you access to check out this tool. So you can find the giveaway link in the description. That's all for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe my channel to stay updated with these kind of the SaaS tools, reviews, comparisons and updates. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.